In this exercise, we will learn the hue and saturation option. Hue and saturation is the best option to change colors in an image. Okay, let's see how this option will work. Let's click on the adjustment layer, and here we can choose the hue and saturation option. We have an image open. Let's change this red color. Here we have the hue option. Simply click and drag it like this. You can see how quickly the colors are changing. If you don't want to apply the color effect in a specific area, or you want to remove an unwanted area like this, we have some color effects on tires here. So then just click on Mask and choose the foreground color black and paint on the area where you want to remove that color, like this. Here, we can also adjust the saturation and the lightness. All right, in the next exercise, we will learn the color balance option.